Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Gemini versus Cursor. Gemini is a versatile AI assistant designed for a broad range of tasks, from creative writing to complex problem solving. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-first code editor specifically built to enhance the developer experience. While both leverage artificial intelligence, their core functionalities and target users differ significantly, making them distinct tools in the AI landscape. Gemini shines in its ability to generate diverse and creative text formats, summarize lengthy documents, and brainstorm ideas efficiently. It's adept at answering complex questions, providing detailed explanations, and assisting with research across many subjects. Furthermore, Gemini seamlessly integrates with various Google services, offering a more connected and powerful experience for general productivity and information retrieval. Cursor is engineered for developers, providing robust AI-powered features for writing, generating, and editing code. Its integrated AI chat allows you to ask questions, get suggestions, and understand code snippets without leaving your development environment. This specialized editor significantly boosts productivity by helping to debug issues, refactor existing code, and even generate new functions based on natural language prompts, streamlining the entire coding workflow. To decide between them, consider your primary needs. Opt for Gemini if you require a versatile AI for general knowledge, creative writing, summarization, or brainstorming ideas across various topics. Choose Cursor if you are a developer focused on programming, needing AI assistance for code generation, debugging, refactoring, or in-editor chat support. Both are powerful, but tailored for different applications. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.